Hi, my name is JP McEvenue and I'm the Executive Director of Roofing Operations for Semper Solaris. Today, I'm going to walk you through the construction of one of our most popular low-slope roofing systems, a torch-down roof, or modified bitumen roofing system. The first step in installing a new torch-down roof is the same as all of our other roofing systems, the tear-off. So on the day of tear-off, the crew is going to show up, they're going to back that truck or trailer as close as possible to the home and start removing the existing roof, dumping that debris directly into the dump truck or dump trailer. We need to get down to a clean, bare wood deck so that we can inspect for any dry rot and damage and replace it before we go on to installing the new roof. The first component that's installed as part of a new torch-down roofing system is the fiberglass base sheet. Now, this is installed using metal round caps or small metal nails to hold down this paper, and it's nailed all the way across the deck so that the roof cannot move, cannot shift once this has been installed. This is also a safe surface for us to install the next layer, the MID-PLY, using open flame or a torch. Now the MID-PLY is installed next. It's a little thicker than the fiberglass base sheet, actually about the same thickness as the cap sheet that goes on top. The difference is there's no rocks or granules on top. So this is not the final layer or what the roof looks like. Now this layer is installed not by nails, but using a special torch. It's actually open flame that goes on this side and it's rolled out and adheres to our fiberglass base sheet. After this is installed, we do install all the edge metal and flashings before we install the cap sheet. Those are primed with an asphalt primer so that they are sandwiched in between this MID-PLY and the cap sheet to make sure that water cannot get down to the deck. Now it is possible to install a torch-down roof system without the MID-PLY, and many companies do. Here at Semper, we always install this layer because it leads to a longer lasting roof and a better warranty. The last piece of the torch-down roofing system is the top layer, the cap sheet. Now this is also installed using a torch, same one for the MID-PLY, and it goes right on top. We seal each side, the side lap, and at each end, the head lap. Now this comes in a variety of different colors and also comes in cool roof options, just like this one. So there you have it. That's how we install a torch-down roof at Semper Solaris. Once again, it's an example that the roof is more than what you see from the outside, and all of those components working together is what keeps your home safe and makes sure that you never have to worry about your roof.